Hi everyone, I'm Hali. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick show and tell of a new Digi-Kit that I've created based on this image. I was making a new journal and decided to do a cover, and this is what I came up with. So this butterfly is from the Graphics Fairy, and then I just did a collage around it. This is some mulberry paper, and here's a button and a little bit of lacy bit and stuff like that. So that was sort of the impetus for this this new kit I did. But then I was also looking at I Heart Art, and she showed this little, I think they're calling them zines now on the YouTube, but it's a like a mini journal that you can make out of one sheet of paper. And I used to do these all the time when I was a teacher with my students. So I thought, what a great idea. So that's what I did. So let me show you what I have. So I came up with this. So it's just one sheet of paper that you fold, and I'm going to show you, I'll take you through that in a minute. It comes with the instructions of how to do it. It comes with one sheet of butterflies. So I've made these so that if you want, you can just cut this and fold it and it becomes like an envelope or a tuck spot. Same thing with these two, but you can fussy cut them out as well. Lots of options. You can also print them out onto sticker paper and turn them into stickers. Okay. And these are printed on parchment paper, a little sort of cardstocky, for an added vintage flair. Here are some quotes also if you want to pause and read those. And then here they are on just regular paper. So you've got a couple different options. Like you can turn these just into journal cards, or what you can do is you can cut them or tear them or whatever and then do little mini collages on your different pages. So pull that, but this is, so that's on the parchment paper. I don't know if the lighting's gonna make much of a difference here with it, but this is just regular paper. So you could collage these or whatever. And then, okay. So, and this is on parchment paper. This is on regular paper. So I'm going to go through the directions right now with you. So if you don't want this border, you'll have to cut that out. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to fold along these lines. So we'll do, and just for time's sake, I'm not going to fussy cut. I'm not going to cut the borders, but you could. Or the other thing you could do is you could do what Wendy does, where she just takes coffee and takes a brush and goes around with the coffee, and then that sort of vintages it up. And then here to the center, and here to the center. Okay, and then you have, it's folded along these lines. And then what you're doing, you're folding it in half this way, and I've put a little dotted line for where you want to cut. And so we're just going to cut. These are my fussy cutting scissors by X-Acto. They are very sharp and precise and wonderful. Fabulous scissors. Okay, so you've cut in the middle like that. You're going to fold lengthways like that. And then you're going to take each end and just push, and you're looking for that little diamond right there. See? And you keep pushing and pushing, and you want to fold. Hang on. Let me fold this again and again. Now, if you do this with cardstock, it's not as flimsy. So you go like that. Okay? And then you can have anything be your front page, but I fashioned it so that this could be your front page. All right? So let me show you what I did as a little prezi for a friend that I'm meeting for lunch. And, oh, you know, the other thing I wanted to say about the Digi-Kits is this. And I'm not going to put this in the description or anything, but anytime I have a new Digi-Kit, and this will be our little secret, anytime I have a little Digi-Kit, I'm going to do a drawing and send a free copy to whoever, and it'll be digital, so it'll just be instant, and we'll give it a couple weeks. So just like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's do something butterfly themed, like what you like about butterflies, or what your favorite quote of butterflies is, or something along those lines. Okay? And so this is a little present for her. I did the Edwardian Jane Austen fold, and it's just parchment paper. The neat thing about this is that you could use a piece of music paper or anything. So here we are. And what's fabulous about this is, like, before, what I used to do with my students when we used to do these, just, you know, like anytime we did one of these a week for different, you know, themes, but we would just glue the paper down and make it a little sturdier. But these come with automatic tuck spots. How cool is that? So I was like, woohoo, tuck spots. So here's the first, and then I just glued, you know, I just glued down where I wanted the tuck spot to be. So this first tuck spot has some tea. I've put it in some pretty doily paper, and there's some little washi. And so there's that. And then this is a little paper clip, but then those butterflies I printed onto the clear sticky back label paper. It's Avery 8.5 by 11. So you can just make your own stickers with anything. How cool is that? And again, iHeartArt had a thing. I'm going to link her video down below so you can watch that, because she's just an amazing artist, and she's like a modern day Edith Holden, if you want to follow watercolor art, and she's just brilliant. So, okay, so butterfly stickers, and then here's a butterfly paper clip. If I were Martha Stewart, I would say, and I made this myself out of wire, but I did not. I bought them. So there's a little fluffy bit, and here's the envelope that I made out of this sheet right there. So I made a little envelope. And then in here, I put the little quote cards. So there's that. And then, oh, wait, I have another tuck spot here. Oh, little tag. Now, this isn't part of the kit, as you saw, but, and the other thing is that you can take those quotes, you can do your own little journaling, whatever you want, on these little background pages. And we did that. This is a piece of washi tape. It's not part of the kit, but it's because I gave her a real 4-leaf clover. That's my lame superpower. I can find 4-leaf clovers. And so I put one on the back of a piece of scrapbook paper. And there's a little, oh, and perfect timing. My friend is here. So I'm going to have to go, but there's the back of it. And I fussy cut that's the welcoming committee you get if you come to my house. All right, I gotta go. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.